Hey guys, it's a Traveling Fisherman checking in. Really excited today to bring you the special episode. I have the Nature's Hangout hammock here. I'm brand new to using these hammocks. As much as we're out exploring and on our adventures, I thought why not check it out and see what they're about. So let's get into setting this thing up. So guys, I just got done setting up my Nature's Hangout hammock. Simple setup guys, took me like 2 minutes. Real easy, just found 2 nice trees to secure it to. The straps, set the straps up, the hooks were already on it. This thing, it's fun, durable, can hold up to 500 pounds. You guys can go check it out on Amazon.com/Nature's Hangout. Guys, go check it out. Check out the YouTube channel, Nature's Hangout. If you guys like being in the outdoors with nature and kind of just hanging out, enjoying the scene, you guys want to get yourself a Nature's Hangout hammock.